Is your workspace boosting your productivity or holding you back? In this video, we'll show you how to transform your workspace into a productivity powerhouse, starting right now. The power of place. Why your workspace matters. Your workspace is more than just a desk and a chair. It's your canvas for creativity, your launchpad for productivity. A well-designed workspace can be your greatest ally. It can be a source of energy and inspiration. Ignoring its importance is like bringing a knife to a gunfight. You're setting yourself up for a less than optimal outcome. Ergonomics. Working with your body, not against it. Many of us spend hours hunched over our desks, oblivious to the toll it takes on our bodies. Back pain, neck strain and headaches become accepted side effects of a day's work. But it doesn't have to be this way. Ergonomics is about working smarter, not harder. Start with the basics, your chair. Invest in a chair that provides proper lumbar support and adjustability. Your feet should rest flat on the floor and your elbows should be bent at a 90-degree angle. The top of the screen should be at eye level. These adjustments can reduce discomfort and promote better posture. A cluttered workspace can clutter your mind. Ready to manage both digital and physical clutter and create a space that truly motivates you? Declutter and conquer organizing for efficiency. A cluttered desk is often a symptom of a cluttered mind. When your workspace is overrun with papers, gadgets, and miscellaneous items, it becomes a breeding ground for distractions. Visual clutter competes for your attention, making it difficult to focus on the task at hand. The solution? Embracing the power of organization. Start by decluttering your workspace. Get rid of anything you don't use regularly. File away papers, organize stationery, and find a designated spot for everything. A clutter-free desk provides a clean slate for your mind, allowing you to approach your work with more clarity and focus. Invest in a few organizational tools. Trays, drawer dividers, and wall-mounted organizers can work wonders. The concept of minimalism extends beyond aesthetics. It's about being intentional with what you allow into your workspace. Keep only the essentials within reach. Everything else should be stored out of sight, reducing visual distractions and creating a sense of calm. Remember, organization isn't about achieving a picture-perfect workspace. It's about creating an environment that supports your workflow. Experiment with different organizational methods to find what works best for you. The key is to create a system that allows you to easily find what you need when you need it. Finding flow in the workspace. Minimizing distractions. Distractions are productivity's worst enemy. They lurk in every corner of our digital and physical worlds, vying for our attention and derailing our focus. In today's hyper-connected world, it's more challenging than ever to create a distraction-free workspace. But it's not impossible. Start by identifying your biggest distractions. Are you constantly checking your phone? Do you get sidetracked by social media notifications? Once you've pinpointed the culprits, you can take steps to mitigate their impact. Silence your phone, turn off unnecessary notifications, and use website blockers to prevent yourself from falling down internet rabbit holes. Consider your physical surroundings as well. If you're easily distracted by noise, invest in noise-cancelling headphones or earplugs. If you find yourself constantly getting up to grab something, keep frequently used items within arm's reach. Remember, minimizing distractions isn't about creating a sterile, silent environment. It's about being intentional with your attention. Create a workspace that allows you to fully immerse yourself in your work, free from unnecessary interruptions. This focus is key to entering a state of flow, where productivity soars and work feels effortless. Managing digital and physical clutter is vital for an efficient workspace. Clutter can be a significant distraction and hinder productivity. Start with your physical space. Look around your desk. Are there stacks of papers or unused supplies? Declutter. Sort through everything. Decide what to keep, archive, or discard. Use organizers to keep everything in place. Clean your workspace daily. This routine maintains a clutter-free environment. Now, your digital space. A cluttered desktop can be distracting. Organize your desktop. Create folders and move items regularly. Tackle your email inbox. Unsubscribe, create filters and archive old emails. Too many open tabs slow down your computer. Use bookmarks and close unnecessary tabs. Manage both physical and digital clutter for focus and efficiency. A clean environment allows your mind to concentrate. Now that we've tackled the clutter, it's time to focus on creating a motivating environment. Your workspace should inspire and energize you. Let's start with personalization. Adding elements that resonate with you can make a significant difference. Consider placing motivating quotes where you can easily see them. Plants can also be a great addition. They improve air quality and create a calming effect. Artwork is another way to personalize your workspace. Lighting is crucial too. Natural light is best, but a good desk lamp works. Colors play a significant role in how we feel. Blues and greens are calming. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of scent. Aromatherapy can boost mood and concentration. By personalizing your workspace with motivating elements, you create an environment that supports productivity and well-being. Ready to take control of your workspace and boost your productivity? Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more tips on how to create environments that inspire personal growth and success. Hit like if you're excited to build a more organized and motivating workspace, and share this video with anyone who could use a productivity boost. Let's build the workspace that works for you.